Welcome to the Micro-SaaS playlist. Today we're diving into a crucial topic: how to identify a profitable niche for your Micro-SaaS business. Imagine the feeling of discovering a hidden treasure, a niche that's not only ripe for innovation, but also has the potential to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to spot the next big thing in the software as a service world. Identifying the right niche can make or break your business. It's the difference between struggling to survive and thriving in a market that's eagerly awaiting your solution. The excitement of seeing your idea come to life and meeting a real urgent need in the market is unparalleled. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the insights and strategies to uncover that perfect niche that aligns with your passion and expertise. Join me on this journey as we explore the secrets to finding a profitable niche for your Micro-SaaS. Whether you're just starting out or looking to pivot, this guide will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Let's get started. Let's start by understanding what Micro-SaaS is and why it's such a powerful model for entrepreneurs. Micro-SaaS stands for micro-scale software as a service. It's all about creating a small, niche-focused software solution that addresses a specific problem or need within a particular market. Picture this: a streamlined, efficient business that you can run solo or with a tiny team, where you're the expert solving a unique problem. That's the beauty of Micro-SaaS. Unlike larger SaaS companies that target broad markets, a Micro-SaaS business zeroes in on a specific audience, delivering a tailored solution that truly resonates with them. Successful Micro-SaaS businesses share some common traits. They are simple, require low overhead, and cater to a dedicated user base. This means you don't need a massive team or extensive resources to get started. Instead, you can focus on creating a product that meets the exact needs of your niche market. Think of Buffer, which began as a simple tool for scheduling social media posts. It wasn't trying to be everything for everyone. Instead, it solved a specific problem for social media managers and marketers. By focusing on this niche, Buffer grew into a beloved and essential tool for its users. Choosing a niche market comes with incredible benefits. Less competition means you can carve out a space where you're the go-to expert. More targeted marketing efforts lead to higher conversion rates and customer loyalty. And because you're addressing a specific problem, your customers will see real value in your product, leading to better retention and word-of-mouth referrals. So, as we delve deeper into this journey, keep in mind that Micro-SaaS is about simplicity, focus, and dedication. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passion, expertise, and market need intersect. Get ready to embrace the exciting world of Micro-SaaS and discover how you can create a thriving business by serving a dedicated niche market. Now let's dive into the heart of identifying a profitable niche: market research. This is where the magic happens. Picture yourself as a detective, uncovering clues that will lead you to a hidden gem in the market. Thorough market research is the cornerstone of finding that perfect niche for your Micro-SaaS business. First, let's talk about the importance of market research. Without it, you're navigating blind, relying on guesswork rather than solid data. Market research allows you to understand your potential customers, their pain points, and the gaps in the current market. It gives you a clear picture of where the opportunities lie and how you can position your product to meet a real demand. Start by using tools like Google Trends to see what topics are gaining traction. For instance, if you're considering a tool for remote work management, check how frequently related terms are being searched. Are more people searching for remote work solutions now than they were a year ago? This can indicate growing interest and demand. Next, dive into communities and forums like Reddit, Quora, and niche-specific groups on LinkedIn or Facebook. Engage with these communities. Listen to what people are saying. What problems are they facing? What solutions are they currently using, and why aren't they satisfied? This first-hand insight is invaluable. Additionally, platforms like Ahrefs and SEMrush can provide data on search volumes and keyword difficulties, helping you identify what people are actively looking for and how competitive those spaces are. Look for keywords with high search volume but low competition. These are often untapped opportunities. Consider using social media listening tools like Hootsuite or Brandwatch. These tools allow you to monitor conversations and trends on social media platforms, giving you a pulse on what your potential customers are talking about and what issues are top of mind. Don't forget to look at existing products and services in your potential niche. Use tools like SimilarWeb and BuiltWith to analyze their traffic sources, technology stack, and user demographics. Pay attention to user reviews and feedback on platforms like G2 and Capterra. What do users love about these products? What are their biggest complaints? This can help you identify gaps in the market that your micro-SaaS can fill. Lastly, compile all this information and start identifying patterns. What common problems keep emerging? Where do existing solutions fall short? This is your roadmap. By understanding these pain points and unmet needs, you can create a product that truly resonates with your target audience. So get ready to put on your detective hat, dive deep into the data, engage with your potential customers, and uncover those hidden opportunities. Market research might be time-consuming, but it's the foundation of a successful micro-SaaS business. By doing your homework now, you're setting yourself up for success in the long run. All right, now that we've covered market research, it's time to turn our attention to analyzing competitors. Think of this step as your competitive intelligence mission. Understanding who your competitors are and what they're doing is crucial to carving out your own space in the market and ensuring your micro-SaaS stands out. First, identify your competitors. Start by doing a simple Google search using keywords related to your niche. Make a list of the top results. Use tools like SimilarWeb and BuiltWith to get a comprehensive view of the competitive landscape. These tools can help you see who is getting the most traffic and what technologies they're using, giving you a deeper understanding of the market. Next, dive into analyzing their strengths and weaknesses. Visit their websites and sign up for their products if possible. What features do they offer? How is their user experience? Pay attention to their pricing strategies and customer support options. Look at their marketing tactics. What channels are they using, and how are they positioning their product? User reviews are a goldmine of information. Check platforms like G2, Capterra, and Trustpilot. What do customers love about these products? More importantly, what are their biggest complaints? Identifying these pain points can help you understand where the current solutions fall short and where your product can shine. For example, if users frequently mention that a competitor's software is too complex or lacks a specific feature, this is an opportunity for you. You can position your micro-SaaS as a simpler, more intuitive solution, or highlight the missing feature that users are craving. Don't just focus on direct competitors. Look at indirect competitors too, those who might not be in the same niche, but offer similar solutions. For instance, if you're building a project management tool for freelancers, analyze general project management tools as well. This broader view can provide additional insights and help you identify unique selling points for your product. Once you've gathered all this information, it's time to find the gaps in the market. Look for areas where your competitors are underperforming or where there's a lack of solutions altogether. This is your sweet spot. By focusing on these gaps, you can develop a product that meets a specific need better than anyone else. Remember, competition isn't something to fear, it's something to learn from. By understanding your competitors, you can make informed decisions about your product development, marketing strategies, and overall business approach. Use their successes and failures to your advantage and find ways to differentiate your micro-SaaS in a crowded market. So, dive deep into your competitor analysis. Gather insights, identify opportunities, and craft a strategy that sets your micro-SaaS apart. This competitive intelligence will be a powerful tool in your journey to create a successful and profitable niche product. Now that we've identified potential niches and analyzed the competition, it's time for one of the most crucial steps: validating your niche. This step ensures that there is a real demand for your product before you invest significant time and resources into development. Think of it as testing the waters before diving in. The first method for validating your niche is gathering customer feedback. This can be done through surveys, interviews, and engaging with potential users in online communities. Use platforms like SurveyMonkey or Typeform to create and distribute surveys. Ask specific questions about the problems they face, their current solutions, and what they wish those solutions could do better. Interviews can provide deeper insights. Reach out to individuals who fit your target persona and have a conversation with them. Ask about their pain points, frustrations, and what features they would value most in a solution. This first-hand feedback is invaluable and can guide your product development in the right direction. Online communities are another treasure trove of information. Platforms like Reddit, Quora, and niche-specific forums are filled with discussions about problems and solutions within your target market. Engage with these communities, pose questions, share your ideas, and solicit feedback. This not only validates your niche, but also starts building a relationship with your potential customers. Another effective method is to create a landing page for your product idea. Describe your solution, highlight its benefits, and include a call to action for visitors to sign up for updates or join a waiting list. Use tools like Unbounce or Lead Pages to create a professional-looking landing page quickly. Then, drive traffic to it through social media, online communities, or even small ad campaigns. Monitor the engagement and sign-up rates to gauge interest. A high level of interest indicates strong validation, while a lackluster response might suggest a need to refine your idea or target a different niche. Social proof is another powerful validation tool. Look for existing products or services that have successfully addressed similar problems in your niche. For example, if you're considering a micro-SaaS for remote work productivity, research the success of tools like Trello or Slack. Their success indicates a proven demand for productivity tools in the remote workspace. However, ensure your product offers something unique to stand out. Finally, consider running a small pilot program or beta test. Create a minimum viable product, MVP, with just the core features and offer it to a limited group of users. This real-world testing provides concrete evidence of demand and allows you to gather detailed feedback on how to improve your product. Beta testing platforms like BetaList or Product Hunt can help you find early adopters eager to try new solutions. Validation is all about ensuring that your efforts will meet a genuine need. It minimizes risks and gives you confidence that your product has a market waiting for it. By validating your niche, you can move forward with clarity and purpose, knowing that your micro-SaaS has the potential to succeed. So take the time to validate your niche thoroughly. Gather feedback, engage with your potential customers, and test your ideas in the real world. This step is critical in turning your vision into a thriving, profitable micro-SaaS business. Now that we've validated our niche, it's time to evaluate its profitability. This step is crucial, because even if there's a demand for your product, you need to ensure that it can generate sufficient revenue to sustain and grow your business. Let's dive into how you can assess the profitability of your niche effectively. First, let's talk about key metrics. Understanding these metrics will help you make informed decisions. Start with the market size. A larger market means more potential customers. Look at industry reports, market analyses, and research papers to gauge the size of your niche. Tools like Statista and Gartner can provide valuable insights into market trends and growth projections. Next, consider the customer acquisition cost, CAC. This is the cost associated with acquiring a new customer. It includes marketing and sales expenses. If your CAC is too high, it might be challenging to maintain profitability. Aim to keep your CAC low by using cost-effective marketing strategies and optimizing your sales funnel. Another crucial metric is the lifetime value, LTV, of a customer. LTV is the total revenue you can expect from a customer over their entire relationship with your company. A high LTV indicates that customers are loyal and likely to continue using your product for a long time. Compare your LTV to your CAC. Ideally, your LTV should be significantly higher than your CAC, indicating a healthy profit margin. Market trends and growth potential are also vital. Look at recent trends in your niche. Is the demand increasing, stable, or declining? Are there any emerging technologies or changes in consumer behavior that could impact your market? For instance, the rise of remote work has led to a surge in demand for remote collaboration tools. Analyzing these trends can help you understand the long-term potential of your niche. To illustrate this, let's look at a case study. Take the example of ConvertKit, an email marketing platform designed specifically for creators. ConvertKit identified a growing market of independent creators who needed tailored email marketing solutions. They started with a clear niche, conducted thorough market research, and validated their idea. By focusing on the needs of creators, they were able to grow rapidly. ConvertKit's success demonstrates the importance of choosing a niche with a growing market and high demand. Profitability also depends on your pricing strategy. Look at how competitors price their products. Are they using subscription models, one-time fees, or freemium models? Analyze what works best in your niche. A subscription model can provide recurring revenue, which is often more sustainable in the long run. Ensure your pricing reflects the value you provide while remaining competitive. Finally, consider your operating costs. These include expenses like software development, hosting, customer support, and marketing. Keep these costs in check to ensure they don't eat into your profits. Streamline your operations to maintain a lean business model. In summary, evaluating profitability is about understanding your market size, keeping acquisition costs low, maximizing customer lifetime value, staying on top of market trends, and managing your operating costs. By carefully assessing these factors, you can determine whether your niche is not only in demand, but also capable of generating sustainable profits. So, take the time to evaluate your niche's profitability. Dive deep into the data, analyze key metrics, and make informed decisions. This will set the foundation for a successful and profitable micro-SaaS business. With a clear understanding of your niche's potential, you'll be well equipped to turn your vision into a thriving enterprise. Now that we've validated the profitability of our niche, it's time to bring your idea to life by building a minimum viable product, or MVP. This is an exciting phase where your vision starts to take shape. An MVP is a simplified version of your product that includes only the essential features needed to solve the core problem for your target audience. It's all about getting your product into users' hands quickly and gathering valuable feedback. First, focus on identifying the core features that address the primary pain point of your target market. Remember, an MVP is not about creating a full-fledged product. It's about delivering the minimum functionality required to test your hypothesis. Start by listing all possible features and then prioritize them based on their importance to solving the main problem. This will help you focus on what truly matters. To streamline this process, tools like Lean Canvas can be incredibly helpful. Lean Canvas allows you to map out your business model and identify the most critical aspects of your product. It helps you stay focused on delivering value quickly and efficiently. Next, it's time to build your MVP. If you're a developer, you might start coding the basic features yourself. If not, consider using no-code or low-code platforms like Bubble or Adalo. These platforms allow you to create functional prototypes without extensive coding knowledge. They are perfect for rapidly developing and iterating on your MVP. Throughout the development process, keep user experience at the forefront. Your MVP doesn't need to be perfect, but it should be intuitive and easy to use. A seamless user experience will help you gather more accurate feedback from your early users. Once your MVP is ready, it's time to test it with real users. This is where the feedback loop begins. Launch your MVP to a small group of beta testers or early adopters. You can find beta testers through online communities, social media, or platforms like BetaList and Product Hunt. Encourage these users to provide honest and detailed feedback about their experience. Listen carefully to what your users are saying. Are they able to solve their problem with your product? What features do they find most valuable? What frustrations or issues are they encountering? Use this feedback to make informed decisions about future iterations of your product. Don't be afraid to make changes based on user feedback. The goal of an MVP is to learn and iterate. You might discover that certain features you thought were essential aren't as important to users, or that there are new features they're craving. This iterative process is crucial for refining your product and ensuring it meets the needs of your target market. A great example of a successful MVP is Dropbox. Before building the full product, Dropbox created a simple video demonstrating how the service would work. This video generated significant interest and provided valuable validation for their concept. It allowed them to gather a list of potential users who were eager to try the product once it was developed. This approach saved them time and resources by ensuring there was a demand for their solution before investing heavily in development. Finally, measure the success of your MVP. Use analytics tools to track user engagement, retention rates, and other key metrics. These insights will help you understand how users are interacting with your product and where you need to make improvements. In summary, building an MVP is about starting small, focusing on core features, and using real user feedback to guide your development. It's an iterative process that allows you to refine your product and ensure it meets the needs of your target market. By creating an MVP, you're taking a crucial step towards turning your idea into a successful and profitable micro-SaaS business. So, get ready to roll up your sleeves and start building your MVP. Stay focused, stay agile, and most importantly, stay connected with your users. This journey from idea to MVP is an exciting adventure that will pave the way for your micro-SaaS success. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what micro-SaaS is to validating your niche, analyzing competitors, and building a minimum viable product. Now, as we wrap up, let's tie everything together and talk about the next steps on your journey. First and foremost, remember that finding a profitable niche and building a successful micro-SaaS business is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The insights and strategies we've discussed are designed to give you a solid foundation, but your commitment and determination will be the driving force behind your success. Take the time to reflect on the research and feedback you've gathered. Use this information to refine your product and ensure it continues to meet the needs of your target audience. Keep engaging with your users, listening to their feedback, and iterating on your product. This ongoing process of improvement is what will set your micro-SaaS apart and help it thrive in the long run. Also, don't underestimate the power of community. Connect with other entrepreneurs, join online forums, and participate in industry events. Sharing your experiences and learning from others can provide valuable insights and support. You're not alone in this journey, and building a network can make a significant difference. As you move forward, keep an eye on emerging trends and technologies. The landscape of SaaS is constantly evolving, and staying informed will help you stay ahead of the curve. Be open to new opportunities and ready to pivot if needed. Flexibility and adaptability are key traits of successful entrepreneurs. Remember, your micro-SaaS journey is not just about building a product. It's about creating value and solving real problems for your customers. Keep your focus on delivering exceptional experiences and making a positive impact. When your customers see the value in what you offer, they will become your biggest advocates and help drive your success. Lastly, celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Building a business is a challenging endeavor, and acknowledging your progress is important. Each step you take brings you closer to your goal, and every achievement is a testament to your hard work and dedication. So, let's recap. You've learned how to identify a profitable niche, conduct market research, analyze competitors, validate your idea, and build an MVP. Armed with these insights and strategies, you're well on your way to creating a successful micro-SaaS business. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you found these insights valuable and feel inspired to take the next steps with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out the other videos in the Micro-SaaS playlist for more tips and strategies. Until next time, keep innovating, keep learning, and keep turning your entrepreneurial dreams into reality.